Hi, Gloria Carell with My Florida Dreams again. We are here at 7704 Laurel Way in Colony Cove, which is in Ellenton, Florida. This home has everything that you would need as far as your major updates. They've got a roof that has lifetime warranty. They have, the floors were done with the subfloor, and the AC is a few years old, so eventually someday you'll replace that, but that's something that always goes with the home. So here we are in the kitchen. You've got a beautiful countertop, nice appliances, and then you can walk this way and end up into the dining room area where you have the original little corner hutches. Just a nice little effect. From the dining room, you can walk into the living room. Right off the living room, we have a lanai. There is another screened-in lanai outside of the kitchen area, and a little workshop for any man that has tool kits and stuff, along with the shed for the washer and dryer. And there's an additional shed out back, so there's plenty of storage with this home. Now we'll go down the hallway to the guest bath. Nice and bright. Here on the left is the guest bedroom, which is a large guest bedroom. Most guest bedrooms aren't this roomy. Now we'll go into the master bedroom. As you can see, there's plenty of room here. Off of the master bedroom, there's even a little, she has it as a sewing room. It could be an office, a little reading nook area. It's just a cute little addition with this house. Then, of course, you have your closet area and your master bath area. And that would be this home for today, which I said again is at 7704 Laurel Way in Colony Cove. If you're interested in this home, please call me. Again, Gloria Carell, 570-854-6424. Thank you.